One of the most confusion for Revit beginners is understanding the categories, families, types, and instances. And honestly, if you understand these concepts properly, learning Revit becomes much easier. So in this video, we will use both architectural door and mechanical duct examples for better understanding. Let's start. Now the first thing we need to understand is the Revit element hierarchy. Revit is organized in 4 levels: categories, family, type, instance. Everything inside Revit follows this structure. Now let us first understand categories. Categories are predefined elements already available inside Revit. For example, door is a category, wall is a category, window is a category, mechanical equipment is a category, duct is a category. So these are the main classifications of elements inside Revit. Now inside one category, we have multiple families. For example, go to project browser, right click, collapse all. Now expand the families section. Under families, you can find different categories listed. For example, now expand the door category. Under one single category door, we can have multiple families like single door and double door. So these are different families under the same door category. Similarly for ducts, expand the duct category. We can have multiple families like rectangular duct, round duct, and oval duct. So even though all belongs to the same category, their overall shape and behavior are different, and we can have different families under one category. Now let's understand types. Under one family, we can have different sizes or variations. For example, inside the single door family. So door is the category, single door is one of the family. So expanding the family, we can have 36 cross 80, 36 cross 84, 36 cross 94, and 36 cross 96. So door is the category, single door is the family under which we can have multiple types. Similar for ducts. If you expand the rectangular duct family, you can see multiple types under it. Now finally, let us understand instances. Instance means a specific placed object inside the project. For example, now select the door. Under the properties palette, the parameters are highlighting relevant to the selected object door. Now select the door and place it multiple copies of the same door. Now select one of the door. Under the properties palette, change the head height. Now it is 6'8". I am changing it to 7. And again select another door, change it to 8 feet. And again the same type door, changing it to 9 feet. And you can notice these are all belongs to the same type. 36 cross 80, 36 cross 80, 36 cross 80. So these are all the same category, same family and the same type. But what it is happening, the instances are different. And again the last door, I'm changing it to 12. Now even though all these belongs to the same family, same type, only the selected door is getting affected. This is called an instance property. So instance properties only affect the selected element. Now if you place your cursor on the door, door represents the category, single door represents the family, and 36 cross 80 represents the type. Similarly, point the cursor on the duct. Duct represents the category, rectangular ducts represents the family, and default represents the type. So this is how Revit internally organizes the elements. You will always work using categories, families, types, and instance. So understanding these properties is very important for every BIM learner. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit like and comment any doubt you have, and subscribe to Inayah BIM Academy for more beginner friendly Revit and BIM tutorials. Thank you.